Hey everyone, are you tired of having a messy or boring background in your Google Meet calls? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can personalize your background on both your laptop and mobile phone. Whether you're in a business meeting or catching up with friends, a cool virtual background is a great way to impress. Let's dive right in. Changing background on laptop. First, let's start with how to change your background on your laptop. It's super simple. All you need to do is join your Google Meet call. And before the call starts, look for the Change Background option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click that, and you'll see different background options you can choose from, like blurring your background or selecting a cool virtual background. Changing background on mobile phone. Now, let's move to your phone. Personalizing your background on mobile is just as easy. When you're in a call or about to join one, tap the screen and look for the Effects button at the bottom. From here, you can choose from different background effects or even upload your own custom image. And yes, the custom images feature works on mobile too. Having a personalized background, even on mobile, makes your calls look way more professional or fun, depending on what you're going for. Bonus tips for better backgrounds. Here's a bonus tip for you. When choosing a background, make sure it's not too distracting so people can still focus on you. Also, good lighting can make a huge difference, so make sure you're facing a light source to look your best. So, there you have it. Now you know how to personalize your background for Google Meet on both your laptop and phone. It's a quick and easy way to stand out and make your video calls more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next one.